Okay, I know all of you have been waiting with bated breath for this moment where we're going to turn on the VTA ST-120 amplifier. This is the first of a few tests. This test is to be sure that the relay board is working and that we have the proper voltage at the rectifier. So as you can see there, I have a Variac. A Variac takes the voltage from the wall and maintains it at a particular voltage, and I've got it set at 118 volts. Next to it is what's called a kilowatt, and that device measures voltage, amperage, draw, current, all kinds of different things. So the voltage coming into my room here is 116.9, 117.1. It's usually about 119, but I got a little heater running, and that's off the same circuit. And the Variac is set to never go over 118 volts. We don't want to put too much voltage into this chassis. At this point in time, all the tubes have been removed from the amplifier. You don't want any tubes in it. I'm using a Klein CL380 voltage meter because we need to read the voltage at the rectifier once the amp turns on. This is unrehearsed. I've never turned this amp on yet. I'm a little freaked out. What you see here is the relay board. This is a device that when you turn the amp on, it waits until everything is stabilized before it actually puts current into the tubes. This makes the tubes last a lot longer. There's no big bang and pop when your speakers turn on and whatnot. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn this on. The red light should come on, and then 17 seconds later the green light should come on, and you should hear a click. And this large, this relay here is going to make a clicking sound, and then we're going to measure some voltage. So I'm going to turn on the power. Well, that's a good sign. The red light turned on, and we're going to wait for the green light to come on. Well, that beep was the meter turning on. Had nothing to do with the amplifier. And there we go. Yahoo! So now I need to go from, I'll just read the instructions again. I need to go from ground to pin 4 and then pin 6, and we should be seeing from 390 to 430 volts AC. So let me put the meter down here, and I'm going to ground it, and then I'm going to go to pin 4, which is right there, and we have 403.3 volts AC, and then pin 6, and we have 403.4 volts AC. To say I'm a happy camper is an understatement. So far that part of the amplifier is working perfectly, and as you can see, we're not seeing any smoke. I think that's a good thing. Nothing smoking yet. So the next step is we're going to hook up some loudspeakers to it, and we're going to do some more tests, and then after a while we're actually going to maybe even play some music off of this contraption. Thanks for watching.